Should you be like everyone else? Should you do what other people do? Or is it okay to be different? I've asked myself that many times. Because when you don't follow the crowd, people look at you like something is wrong. Like you're off. Like maybe you don't fit in. But different doesn't mean you're fucked up. It means you see things your own way. You think for yourself. You don't just copy what's already been done. And if you look around, it's actually not that hard to stand out. Most people live normal lives. They do normal things, mostly on autopilot. So standing out is not some big mystery. It's just doing things consciously. Also understand this. Not everyone is going to like you. Roughly out of 10, 3 people won't like you, 3 will like you, and 4 won't even care. That's just how it works. If everyone was the same, we'd all just be following each other around like sheep. Being different is not the problem, it's the starting point.